Lesson 4. Integrating mathematical insights into comprehensive business strategies. Welcome back, distinguished scholars and future business leaders. Today marks not just another lesson but a grand synthesis of our mathematical journey. In this session, we'll weave together the threads of knowledge we've gathered, applying our collective insights to comprehensive business strategies. This is where theory meets practice, where data meets decision, and where you, as future strategists, showcase your prowess. Comprehensive review and application. Let's start with a holistic review. We've traversed the realms of financial analysis, operational efficiency, market analysis, and strategic decision-making. Each area is a piece of the larger puzzle of business mathematics. Group activity. Case study marathon. In groups, you'll be assigned a comprehensive case study encompassing elements from all previous lessons. Your challenge? To identify the mathematical principles at play and propose data-driven strategies for the business scenario presented. Think of this as your final mission, integrating everything from NPV calculations to predictive analytics. The business scenario presented involves a company looking to increase their marketing ROI by optimizing their media spend across various platforms. In order to achieve this, it is necessary to understand the mathematical principles at play and propose data-driven strategies. Below, we outline the mathematical principles and strategies that can be used in this scenario. 1. Understanding NPV calculations. NPV, net present value, calculations are essential in evaluating the profitability of potential marketing initiatives. It takes into consideration the time value of money and calculates the difference between the present value of cash inflows and outflows. In this scenario, the company can use NPV calculations to evaluate the potential return on investment, ROI, for each marketing platform and prioritize their media spend accordingly. By choosing those initiatives with the highest NPV, the company can maximize their returns and achieve their desired marketing ROI. 2. Using predictive analytics. Predictive analytics can be used to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. In this scenario, the company can leverage predictive analytics to identify the most successful marketing channels and campaigns. By analyzing data such as customer demographics, past spend, and conversions, the company can identify patterns and trends that can guide their media spend decisions. This will not only increase their ROI but also minimize the risk of investing in ineffective marketing strategies. 3. Implementing A/B testing. A/B testing involves comparing two versions of a marketing campaign or strategy to determine which one performs better. In this scenario, the company can use A/B testing to test different variations of their marketing initiatives, such as different ad designs, targeting strategies, or messaging. By monitoring the performance of each version, the company can identify which approach yields the highest ROI and allocate its media spend accordingly. 4. Utilizing customer lifetime value, CLV. Customer lifetime value, CLV, is the predicted amount of revenue a customer will generate over their lifetime. By understanding the CLV of their customers, the company can make more informed decisions on media spending. They can allocate more resources towards acquiring and retaining high CLV customers, as they are likely to generate more revenue in the long run. CLV calculations can also help in identifying which marketing platforms and campaigns are effective in attracting and retaining high CLV customers. 5. Using regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical tool used to identify the relationship between variables and predict future outcomes. In this scenario, the company can use regression analysis to determine how changes in their media spend impact their sales and overall ROI. By analyzing the data, the company can make data-driven decisions on how much to invest in each marketing platform in order to achieve their desired ROI. Advanced topics in business mathematics. While we've covered extensive ground, the field of business mathematics is ever evolving. Let's touch upon some advanced topics that are shaping the future of business strategies. 1. Big data analytics. With the increasing use of technology and digital platforms, companies are now able to collect and analyze massive amounts of data. This has led to the emergence of big data analytics, which uses advanced mathematical algorithms and statistical models to uncover patterns, insights, and trends from large datasets. By harnessing the power of big data, businesses can make more informed and data-driven decisions, increase efficiency, and gain a competitive advantage. 2. Artificial intelligence. Another emerging trend in business mathematics is the use of artificial intelligence, AI. AI employs mathematical algorithms to enable computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as decision-making, problem-solving, and pattern recognition. In the business world, AI can be applied to various areas, such as customer service, supply chain management, and financial analysis, to improve processes and outcomes. 3. Predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is a technique that uses historical data and statistical algorithms to predict future outcomes and trends. In business, predictive modeling is used for various purposes, such as forecasting sales, identifying market trends, and determining the likelihood of customer churn. By accurately predicting future outcomes, businesses can make more informed decisions and adjust their strategies accordingly. 4. Optimization. Optimization is the process of finding the best possible solution to a problem from a set of alternatives. In business, optimization techniques are used to determine the most efficient and cost-effective way to achieve a desired outcome. This could include optimizing production processes, supply chain logistics, or marketing campaigns. With the help of mathematical algorithms and computer models, businesses can find optimal solutions to complex problems and improve overall efficiency. 5. Game theory. Game theory is a branch of mathematics that studies decision-making in competitive situations. In the business world, game theory can be used to analyze strategic interactions between companies, such as pricing wars and bidding in auctions. By understanding the game theory behind these interactions, businesses can make more strategic decisions and gain a competitive advantage. As the business landscape continues to evolve and become increasingly data-driven, the importance of business mathematics will only continue to grow. By incorporating advanced mathematical concepts and techniques into their strategies, companies can gain valuable insights and make more informed decisions, ultimately helping them succeed in a highly competitive market. Emerging trends and technologies. From blockchain's impact on transaction security and efficiency to quantum computing's potential in solving complex optimization problems, the future is ripe with innovation. How might these advancements redefine the role of mathematics in business? The integration of blockchain technology in business transactions has the potential to drastically improve security and efficiency. By using a decentralized system that records and validates every transaction, it eliminates the need for a centralized authority, reducing the risk of fraud and hacking. This means that businesses can rely on mathematics, specifically cryptography, to secure their transactions. As a result, the role of mathematics in ensuring the integrity and security of business transactions will become increasingly important. Additionally, blockchain's ability to automate the execution of agreements through the use of smart contracts has the potential to revolutionize how businesses operate. It allows for the creation of self-executing contracts that are tamper-proof and transparent, reducing the need for intermediaries and potentially saving businesses time and money. This automation aspect of the blockchain heavily relies on mathematical algorithms to ensure accurate execution of agreements and prevent any errors or discrepancies. Furthermore, the emergence of quantum computing has the potential to greatly impact business optimization. Quantum computers are able to perform complex calculations and process massive amounts of data at an incredibly fast rate. This means that businesses can utilize advanced mathematical algorithms to analyze large sets of data and make more accurate and efficient decisions. In fields such as finance and supply chain management, quantum computing can help businesses solve optimization problems that were previously too complex to solve with traditional computing methods. As a result of these advancements, the role of mathematics in business will shift from being a tool for calculation to being the fundamental foundation of business operations. Businesses will need to rely on mathematical concepts such as cryptography, algorithms, and optimization techniques to ensure the security and efficiency of their transactions.